Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Normal distribution problems look intimidating, but you can solve this one in 60 seconds flat by finding the z-score and isolating the standard deviation variable today. For a normal distribution, the middle 96% leaves 2% in each tail. This corresponds to a z-score of approximately 2.05. You got this. Keep going. Now apply the standard z-score formula using the upper bound of 59.4, the mean of 57.7, and our calculated z-score. Watch this setup. It is perfect. Finally, rearrange the equation to solve for sigma. Multiplying by sigma and dividing by 2.05 gives us the correct expression. That makes option B the winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid using the wrong z-score and always verify your bounds using the standard formula.